Hello, welcome. Do you want to keep learning English? You are at the right place. In this lesson, we are going to learn 20 key vocabulary terms related to IT software. It covers basic software related concept in the English language at the intermediate level. Now, let's talk about the objective. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand at least 20 essential vocabulary terms related to IT software that will allow you as computer scientists to discuss those terms in your specialty. Discuss basic software related tasks in English with intermediate level proficiency, and then apply IT knowledge or IT software vocabulary in practical scenarios for both personal and professional context. That will allow you as computer scientists to discuss computer science related tasks with your peers around the world in the English language. First, let's talk about the operating system or OS. This software controls basic computer functions. Examples include Windows and Mac OS and Linux, which are essential for checking software compatibility. Next, we have a word processor. Software like Microsoft Word or for creating, editing, and formatting text documents are perfect for writing reports. Our next terms are spreadsheet and database. You can also say database. Spreadsheet organize and analyze data in tables, with Microsoft Excel being a common example. You also have Google Sheet. You might use a spreadsheet to create a budget, for example. A database such as MySQL or MySQL or Microsoft Access stores structured data electronically, and they're ideal for managing customer information, for example. Our next terms are browser, antivirus, software, and search engine. You are probably familiar with these terms. The browser accesses and navigates the internet. Example, we have Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Opera Mini, and Bing, for example, or Microsoft Edge. And then antivirus software. We have software such as Kaspersky, Norton, or McAfee or Bitdefender. They detect and remove malicious software to protect your computer. Additionally, we have search engines. We have like Google or Bing helps you find information online. So I think Bing is not a browser, it's a search engine from Microsoft. Then we have three other terms: software update, firewall, and malware. Software update provide new version or improvement to existing software, ensuring that you have the latest or the most recent features. And now for firewall, a firewall controls network traffic based on security rules protecting your home network. Malware refers to malicious software that can harm your system. Think of those unwanted pop-ups that sometimes appear when you browse the internet. Next, we have vocabulary related to application and cloud storage. Application, cloud storage, and file compressions. An application or app is designed for specific function like WhatsApp for sending messages. Cloud storage, such as Google Drive or OneDrive, allows you to store data online, accessible from any device, ideal for accessing work documents at home. For example, I teach online, so I use cloud storage most of the time so that I can navigate between devices, and even if I'm in Burkina Faso or the United States. And also, file compression reduces the size of files for easier storage or transmission, with zip being a common example. For example, if you want to store a file with other people online, it may be too heavy. Maybe you might zip them, just like put them together make it smaller and easy to be sent. Our next vocabulary terms are related to user interface and data management. The user interface or UI is the virtual part of the software where users interact. Good UI design enhances usability. Then we have backups. Backups are copies of your data saved to protect against loss, such as saving important files to an external drive. Please always back up your most important data. And then a license. What is a license? A license is something that provides legal permission to use software, essential when purchasing and installing new program. For example, you have license for Windows, for Kaspersky, for apps, then legal permission to use the software. For example, purchasing software for installation. As we continue learning IT software vocabulary, let's talk about desktop element. What is a desktop? Primary screen displaying icon and file. The desktop is what you see. It is your computer's primary screen that display the icons and the files. And then we have a taskbar. The taskbar shows open program and provide quick access to others. And then a shortcut. The shortcut offers fast access to specific files or application. And then a plugin is an additional component that adds specific feature to your software. For example, Google Chrome has a lot of plugins. ChatGPT used to have plugins, but now they have changed them and they are not called Small GPT. So now Microsoft Edge has also added some plugins. Now, we have covered 20 key terms related to computer science or IT software that will help you speak English in your field. Now, let's practice this activity. Try to reinforce what you have learned. Then try the following exercise and then pause the video and take some minutes to do it. Try to answer the questions. Yes, thank you. We are at the end of the lesson. Congratulations. To wrap up, we have covered a wide range of IT software concepts, including operating systems, word processors, spreadsheets, databases, browsers, antivirus tools, and more. These skills are critical for both personal and professional use of technology. Keep practicing these terms to build your confidence so that you can be able to converse or discuss IT-related tasks with your peers around the world. Check out the upcoming practice activities and don't forget to try the interactive activities that are coming in the next section. Thank you.